Hello again, here, Bart here from Bodjabart. We've got to see if we can cut some keyways. I've fixed that wee tool up from the other day. I've redone it, and I've put it in the lathe. So what we'll do is we'll grab you and we'll put you over onto the lathe and we'll have a look from there. Okay, here we are. We've got this tool here. I've sort of got it positioned and in the right place, I hope. I've measured off here up to here and from here up to there, and they measure it the same, so it should be halfway, so it should be right in the middle. So that there. So now what we have to do is see if we can feed that there through here so we can cut a slot in there, and that's what we're going to have a go at now. Never done this before, so we'll see how we go. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I felt a little bit of a wee rough spot just there. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh no, we'll be right. We'll be right. So we'll put this in this way. As you can see, I've drilled and tapped these holes. This is the one that was the sprocket one, so I've got this ready to go now. Oh, I had a mark on here. There it is. What is there? So I'll do it this way. Rightio. Right, we'll put that on its lowest setting. Just remember it was that one, and it was 90, so it should already be 90. Yep, there we go. Right, we get this here and we line this up with the bed. And we just eyeball it for now, see if it runs true. It runs. Right about there. Alright. I have no idea if this is going to work, but we'll find out in a mo. It should be right in the middle. Yep, it's looking pretty good. So it doesn't matter where I sit this, it should cut right parallel. So we go in there. We're going to take it so it touches the back of that, which it does. Right there, and it's just touching no more. And we're not touching in the front. So we'll just make sure it goes all the way through. Yep. Move this light a little bit closer to here. That's not quite right there. Can't seem to see. What happens if I move it there? Okay, we're already through. I just need to see the light there. Yep, we're already through. So that's good. We can go. Oh, is that right? Oh no, we're not through. Ah, there we go. Okay, so we're through there. So what I'll do is I shall mark the thing. Right, pencil. So that line there is where it's gone right through. So it's gone right through the tip. So everything looks alright there. So we'll bring it out and we'll see if we can make a cut, eh? Here we go. It's not hitting, just hit then. So we'll just make a little bit more. Right. Make a little cut. Let's see if it does another one. Did that. We just got to do it real gently, quietly. They said not too much of a cut. That was too much. Okay, there we go. Right. It's probably going to take ages to get through, I would say. There we go. I can feel it jump. You can see it jumping. It doesn't seem to like it. It doesn't look like it's going to work. That's a bit of a shame. Okay, we're back, and what we've done, we've sharpened it up and we've put the other one in, so we'll see how we go with this one. Oh, this is going to take forever. Hello there, we're back after we went and had a look at this. We tried to cut that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's sort of a bit of a ridge in there. It was taking too long, and it was just this metal was a little bit hard and the tool wasn't working. It was jumping around, so I've done enough of a groove to maybe do the rest with a hacksaw and a file. I think that's what we'll do with these two. So what I've got to do now is I've got to make some little spaces. Well, not spaces. I can't think what they're called. It's just little wee things, just something similar to that, but a little bit bigger, so that we can put a grub screw in and put them on the shaft. So that we put one on this side of this thing here, and one on that side, so it doesn't slide on the shaft if the grub screw, which we got to drill and tap in here, comes loose. So we don't want this thing going sliding along. So we've got to make a couple of those collets. That's what. Oh yeah, something like that. Okay, so I'm just going to do them about 10mm wide. I've got to bore this out to about 30mm to fit on the shaft. And yeah, we'll get into it, eh? So we're going to make 4 of these all together. I've got this, my friend gave me this material here. It's quite good to turn. So I thought I'd use this, and that one's got a bit of a ridge on it. Oh well, I might swap that one. It'll be alright, so it's only for those. So we'll get into it. We've got to make 4 of them. So first things first, we've got to bore it out. So it's tapered to that hole's tapered, it goes from big to small at this end, so we'll bore it all out to 30mm. Or close to it, I think it's 29.6. Alright, we'll get into it, eh? Now let's see what we got, Doc. .5. Ooh, we need to go to just about 30. We'll zero that just to make sure we're on track. Okay, we'll go again. We're at 28.7. And we need 29.8. Look at that, we've got a mil to go. Well, that's a good effort, and it's got good thickness for the year. Now what we have to do is part it off. And I've got that one, that's not very good. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. What's on the other end? Must be this one then. This one should do it. We shall see. I thought I had a better one than that, but I can't seem to find it. Oh well, we'll try this one. It's got a chip out of it. Right, we'll go and grind that up, make that look a bit better. I'll come back. Okay, we're going to see if we can part this off now. Right, hello, I'm back again. It's another day. I've been away doing stuff. We've got to not let that fall off like that. Into your bark without something dropping. So I've been busy. I showed you making one of the collars. So what I've done is I've made all four now. So here they are. Here's one here, and I've put a grub screw in there. Then drill and tap that, and so we've just got a grub screw in there to lock on here. So these here will fit on here. Hopefully they should do. Yep. Just a wee bit tight with that grub screw. There's probably a wee bit of a burr in there, so maybe... Right, how that's going to fit. There we go. Look at that. That's what you want. A nice tight fit. Brilliant. It's tighter than it was before. Yeah, so that's not tight. Right. Got to get that off. There we go. Right, there must be just a wee bit of a burr in there. But anyway, let's see if we get another one on. Yep, there we go. So that goes on there like that, and then we will tighten that up. So on the grub screw, so we tighten the collar up there, so that would be tight. And then we'd have one of these on, which would be the disc or the brake. So that would go on there like that. Then there'd be a key, which is just a little square bit of metal which fits in there, which slides in there, and that'll go against there. Then another one of these would go on here. Let's see if we can get another nice loose one. Yep, so that will go on there. And with the key in there, and this here locked up, like so, then that's not going to go anywhere. We also have to drill and tap a grub screw to go in here as well, but that's pretty much how that's all going to sit. So that will be there, and it won't go anywhere in theory. So then the next one will be the same on the other one. I've probably got that grub screw in too far too, have I? Yep, definitely. So we get that out there. We don't want that in too far. Right. So it's the same at this end. There we go. So that'll go on there. That'll go on there. Like so. With a key, which goes in that slot, and that goes in there. And then this one will fit on here. Like so. And then that will be there. That must just have a wee bit of a burr. I might see if I can take that off. Alright. Yeah, I can feel just a wee bit of a burr in there. It's just a little bit of a burr. So we just take that off there. Doesn't take much. There we go. Should fit on there. Yep, there we go. So that's the same thing. That goes on there like so. That around there. And we tighten these up. go, and there we have it. And then with the tightening of that one there and tightening of that there, and we'll have the sprocket and the thing ready to go. So this is practically ready to go now. So hopefully next time we might have a roller. So we'll put all this in, put the wheels on, and roll it around, see how it goes. And then we'll have to start looking at fitting the motor. And I think we'll be pretty well right. But at the moment, that is it. It's the back axle practically finished. Finally, we're getting somewhere. When we have it rolling, it might look a bit better. So, hopefully, if you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot.